Are they actually seeing, when you talk to software companies or companies in general using AI and deploying this, are they seeing ROI? Are they seeing the returns that would justify the amount of spending that they have to do?
I would say largely yes. I mean, you hear all these people where, they talk about the most incredible demo ever. Suddenly, one person is able to do the work of 10. Someone who could never code can go and create this app. And I think these things are true, and these examples are so strong that it sticks in people's minds. Even for us, we believe by far the most productive sales organization in our industry. I believe the quota for a salesperson at Ramp is 4 times the next closest competitor, and we're able to do that because we've invested in tools that help multiply the effectiveness of people. Last May, the only department shipping customer-facing code was engineering. Last month, we had 19 different departments ship code. Now if you're a customer service person and you see a bug, you can just fix the code base. And I think that's incredible, the promise of that. At the same time, you also see incredible ways where you see people experimenting with these new models and not, asking the question, what was the return on that spend? And so I think there's a lot of both buried within that. And as you separate that out, or there are tools to help separate that out, and so you can take any question and route it to the correct cost model, is where I think you're going to start to see companies be able to justify even more spending. But I think the potential and promise is there.